I'm in the Venice Architecture Biennale with a project called Little Sun. Little Sun is a solar-powered lantern with a solar panel and light. 5 hours of sunlight gives you 5 hours of light for you to study, making your homework in the evening, or to extend your business hours into the evening, making a little bit more money. So as you can tell, this project is about the off-grid, the people who live off the electrical grid, and it's really focusing on how to bring energy into the off-grid areas, energy access, energy poverty, and the right to light, and the right to a life with light. And of course, the business model behind this is that here in Venice or on the internet, we're selling the lamp for 20 euro, and that makes the lamp available also for selling in Africa and India and other places where they can buy it for 10 euro or 9 euro, depending. And this is hopefully enough profit locally to keep a micro business going and create a little sustainable sort of economy, which then will push more and more lights into these places and more light into these people's life.